Installing a PCIe riser card and cage. If you are using a new PCIe riser cable, first attach the label to the cable. Attach the white space part of the label to the PCIe riser cable near the straight end. Wrap the label around the cable and stick it onto the white space. To install a PCIe riser card and cage in a 6-slot full-height riser, align the screw holes in the PCIe riser card with the screw holes in the PCIe riser cage, and then fasten 6 screws to secure the PCIe riser card. Install the PCIe retainer into the PCIe riser cage, and then fasten the 3 screws to secure the PCIe retainer. Route the PCIe riser cables through the cable retainer. Connect the right angle end of the PCIe riser cables to the corresponding connectors on the inside of the PCIe riser. Connect the right angle end of the PCIe riser cables to the corresponding connectors on the outside of the PCIe riser. Install the cover onto the PCIe riser cage, and then fasten the 2 screws to secure the cover. Reinstall all the PCIe adapters. Reinstall the PCIe riser. Reinstall the crossbar. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.